What's up, man? It's your boy Herb.
And your girl Cece.
Know what I'm saying? We about to react to this Nique and King, man. 4th of July firecracker prank on girlfriend. Y'all will see. Know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna waste no time. Know what I'm saying? We gonna get into it.
You got that crazy love.
Nique.
Crazy love. You got that crazy love.
Oh, I do.
Crazy Mob, it's your boy King, and today I am back with another banger. So listen, bro, you already know what's going on, man. Today is one of those good days, man. Today is a special good day. I'm gonna tell you why today is a good special day. Today is a good special day because today is the first time that King or Nique, anybody, we doing a prank in this house. So write this down in y'all calendar. Write this date down. Let y'all know the first day that we did a prank in this house. And I'm gonna kick it off. I'm gonna start it off. It might be something simple. It might be something light. But just know it's finna be a banger. So listen, bro. Check this out. I'm about to go in this mother. Nique sleep right now, man. Let me go ahead and come down. Nique sleep is early in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Nique sleep right now. You know what I'm saying? Right now we've been sleeping in here. We haven't really had no furniture. We really waiting on. We don't know what we're waiting on to get furniture out the other house, but that's another story. So today, you know what I'm saying, for 4th of July was just like 3-4 days ago, and I still got a lot of firecrackers left and fireworks left, you know what I'm saying? So what I wanted to do was I wanted to go ahead and prank Nique and blow some stuff up in the house, you know what I'm saying? I know it's a bad idea, but don't try this at home, you guys. But you know, it's just me. So I need y'all to like the video up, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell right now before I came out here and did the intro. We're already in there set up on the tripod, already set up, you know what I'm saying? So it really doesn't matter, because by the time she wake up, it's just gonna be boom, it's a prank, you know what I'm saying? Did that dirty. So go ahead, like the video up, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell. Love every single one of y'all, man. Let's get straight to this video. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, so I already got my fireworks. You see what I'm saying? I got a lot of fireworks still from that day. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think y'all understand. That's a lot of fireworks. But this is what I'm gonna need.
Wow!
I'm gonna need this. But with this, I think I'm gonna break it in half. So I got that.
Use the whole pack!
Okay.
Yes.
One of these will work. I got a lighter. And I need to go get a pot. So come on, go get this pot. It's so quiet in here.
Come on, yeah, come on. Big. Oh, he already got the pot. He ready to go.
My nigga.
Yeah, this nigga walking slow as hell, nigga.
Okay, so this is what I got right now. I'm gonna put this in there. I got my sister.
Hey, put the whole thing, brother.
And I got some sister washing
The
still.
whole thing.
So I'm gonna go ahead and set this stuff. Set that right back there.
Bro, you about to bust my
Got a
eardrum
good
with all this extra shit.
lighter. Lit situation. So make sure you like the video up, subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell.
Damn!
Man, it's so beautiful out there. There's a lot of stuff like this, so I'm finna go ahead and go in this house. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
So we finna
You know what I'm saying? Just a loud ass nigga. Let me stop screaming.
If I kill him,
It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Is he ducking?
yes,
Is he ducking?
trying to get fucking under the side of the mattress, nigga. You should have just laid down, son. What the fuck is you doing?
Thanks.
You should have just slid.
Know what I'm saying?
That's it.
You need to put it by her head.
Yes.
Ugly.
All the way on the other end, trying not to be seen.
Nah, you should put it by the window like somebody shooting through it. That'll really be nice. That'll be nice. That's a nice place. Oh, they shooting! They shooting! Oh, they shooting! Oh, they shooting!
Yo,
That's a good one.
babe,
That's so decent.
babe,
Oh, man.
wakey, wakey. You okay? Hold on, wait. Let me open the window.
What got you feeling? It's a casualty of prank war.
Bro, you already know. It's
Hell yeah.
It's a casualty, man.
bro. Why is you?
Oh my God.
Now you upset?
You got it all over the floor and it smelled like it.
Wow.
I hurt my head and my elbow.
I'm sorry. I am truly, honestly sorry, but it's time to get up and it's smoky in here. It is time to get up. It is time to get up. You feel me? Yo, it is time to wake up!
Okay, brother.
I'm about to clean it up. Bro, you should have saw me. I got ghosts. I was gone. I was like, bro. Why you mad? Come on now, we all on the air. We living ratchet, y'all. We living on air matches. We gotta wait till we gotta get our other bed from the other house and stuff. You wanna help me clean it up? Why you mad? That bionic on. Looking like somebody named Ronnie.
Shut up.
Woo! I don't get no more. I don't get no good morning kiss. We already got a broom. We
You don't
already got a
get
broom.
nothing. No
That
sugar.
was 30. That's for outside.
You don't give me a kiss? Give me a
Don't
kiss,
get that
come
nigga
on,
no
why
sugar.
you- I was gonna pick it up, me.
Well, pick it up. My head's hurting.
It was loud. You was gone. You was gone.
Where?
You was
On the side of the
gone.
bed?
Why you acting like that?
She ain't
With
running
them
nowhere.
shorts on, with them shorts on, with my shirt on. Got my short. Ooh, that booty jiggly. The jiggle booty. Jiggle booty early in the morning. The jiggle booty. The jiggle booty. Booty be jiggle.
see, brother?
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. You don't want to talk?
Oh, my brain.
I done ate your braid up. You wanna get all over? Alright, you guys, so it smells way much better in here. Took us by about a good 15 minutes to do what we was doing. Now she look good sportsmanship. Good sportsmanship.
Good sportsmanship. She
Good
took the L.
sportsmanship. Helping
Took
me
the
out.
L.
See
She
that,
had
y'all?
to. She got
You
got.
see that?
I'm just worried about the house.
I'm worried about the house as well.
Why are you walking on it?
Huh? Had my camera
Like
set
it ain't
up
nothing else.
right there.
Hell no.
Know what I'm saying? Like, that's the end. But know what I'm saying? That's a good ass prank. He got her. He got her.
He got her so decent. She was on the ground like, no! Like, hurry up, nigga! Stop shooting!
Facts, though. Facts. Facts.
That shit was real as fuck.
Big facts.
Oh
But
my god.
but like,
Comment
subscribe.
and share.
Definitely subscribe.